20 gadgets, and every next one gets crazier. You've never seen tools this smart before. Watch till the end. The last gadget is next level. If you do welding work, you definitely need this new auto-darkening welding mask made specially for welders. The lens can flip up and down, and the soft nose pad design makes it comfortable to wear without pressure. The breathing vent comes with a filter sponge, and the lens darkens automatically during welding, protecting your eyes while still letting you clearly see the weld pool. It works for electric welding, argon arc welding, and secondary welding too. Many workers think stainless steel zip ties are hard to use, but actually they just don't have the right tool. Here's a practical solution. Use this new stainless steel zip tie plier. It has a self-locking front clamp that tightens more securely as you pull. The head and handle are strongly connected, making it easy to tighten from both directions. It also includes a built-in cutting function, so tightening and cutting can be done in one step. Whether for repairs, fixing equipment, or everyday home bundling, it ties things firmly and securely. After cutting a screw too short, the end becomes uneven, making it difficult to screw the nut back on. Burrs can also easily hurt your hands. Here's an easy solution. Use this new external chamfer tool set. It can chamfer screws and bolts of different sizes. The cutting edge is sharp and wear-resistant, making chamfering as easy as sharpening a pencil. Whether the screw is damaged or shortened, if the nut won't go on, this tool makes fixing it easy and effortless. Look, many people still use hammers to remove axle heads, and one careless hit can deform or damage them. Now there's this special puller tool. Just install it, tighten the 4 screws, and use an electric wrench to remove the brake hub easily without damaging the axle. Repairs and disassembly become much easier and more convenient. Just insert the battery, and this tool can grind and remove rust from all kinds of metal surfaces. This is the new cordless lithium grinding machine everyone is looking for. Its double-wheel design allows coarse grinding on one side and fine grinding on the other. Whether sharpening knives, scissors, or removing rust, it works quickly and efficiently. Perfect for outdoor use, home repairs, and DIY projects. Very practical and convenient. You've probably never seen a bright emergency lamp like this that needs no oil or electricity. Just add some tap water and a little table salt. If you live near the sea, seawater works too. Tighten the cap, shake it gently, and the light turns on instantly. It's very bright, has a long illumination distance, wide coverage, and can last over 300 hours. Extremely practical and convenient. No more wasting money on poultry feed. If you have an angle grinder at home, you can easily grind feed into different sizes whenever needed. Just attach the grinder to this feed machine and place a container underneath. It can crush corn, peanuts, soybeans, and all kinds of grains. Perfect for raising chickens, ducks, and geese. This is the cast iron anvil everyone is searching for. Fully forged from cast iron and weighing up to 3 kilograms, it's stable and reliable for hammering and repairing metal objects. Portable and practical for outdoor work. Simply screw this adapter onto your angle grinder and it instantly turns into an electric drill. Drilling holes and driving screws becomes easy. Made of durable high-carbon steel with a self-locking ball buckle design, drill bits can be changed quickly with one click. It greatly improves work efficiency and is perfect for daily repairs and installations. This new M8 socket bit is specially designed for self-tapping roofing screws. Made from high-carbon steel with a built-in hexagonal groove and anti-drop steel ball design, it grips screws tightly and prevents nails from falling during installation. Extremely practical for installing and repairing steel roofing sheets. Finally found it. A heavy-duty adjustable pipe wrench used by many professionals. Made from integrated hardened steel with a thickened structure, smooth adjustment mechanism, anti-slip jaws, and quick-release design. Suitable for many different applications and very easy to use. There's a hidden feature in electric scooter charging ports that most people don't know about. With this adapter plugged into the charging port, it instantly becomes a giant power bank. Connect the extended cable and you can fast charge your phone or power other USB devices. Compact, portable, and super practical. Turning a regular electric drill into an impact driver is actually very simple. Remove the original chuck and install this quick conversion adapter. It instantly transforms the drill into a professional screwdriver machine that works with all kinds of hex bits. Very convenient for everyday work. This is a cutting stand specially designed for angle grinders. Made from aluminum alloy with a reinforced steel base, installation is simple. Attach the grinder, tighten the screws, and adjust the cutting angle freely. It instantly transforms an ordinary grinder into a professional cutting machine, making cutting faster and safer. This small tool is incredibly practical. Made of thickened black carbon steel, it can easily remove screws from size 5 to 22. Perfect for plumbing repairs, installation, and removal work. It can also remove plastic pipe fittings from 24 to 34 millimeter and includes bottle opening and faucet aerator functions too. Small but multifunctional. This is the new 4-slot lithium battery charger. It can fast charge 4 batteries simultaneously and automatically cuts power when fully charged to prevent overcharging. One charger replaces multiple chargers, making work easier and more convenient. Finally found it. A new heavy-duty manual cable cutter made from high-strength alloy steel. Its cutting edge is highly durable and wear-resistant, with thickened construction for strength and long life. The handle length can be adjusted freely for better leverage and easier cutting. Whether cutting steel bars, chains, or copper and aluminum cables, it handles them all easily. This compact welding machine is perfect for home use. Even if you don't own a welder, you can now repair and weld things yourself without asking others for help. It has adjustable current and strong internal components, making it ideal for household repairs. Durable, affordable, practical, and easy to use. And owners of electric tricycles should check this out. It's a new towing attachment similar to a small tractor trailer. The front connects to the wheel axle and the rear hooks to the bumper, allowing smooth driving and turning. It instantly adds extra cargo space and carries loads almost like a tractor. Look at this amazing hoe design. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it can easily remove weeds once attached to a wooden handle. Flip it over and it becomes perfect for digging furrows and planting seeds. This multifunctional double-head hoe is compact, flexible, and won't damage seedlings, making farming work much easier and more convenient.